If you love vintage decor, you are in for an absolute treat today because we have Mickie from Cottage on Main Street again sharing her stunning home. If you are looking for inspiration on decorating your home, getting layering ideas, and just need inspiration for the fall season, this is going to be the video for you. So I am so excited to have Mickie here today. Let's welcome her here today. Make sure you give her a follow and let's start today's home tour.
Hi everyone, Holly from Living It Country asked me to give you a tour of our 1912 farmhouse. I'm Mickie and you can find me on Instagram at Cottage on Main Street. Here is a peek into our farmhouse. This is our living room. So for fall, I tried to keep it as neutral as possible. I love bringing the elements from outside in, such as these dried hydrangeas, and just putting them in a simple vase along with branches and also dried flowers if I have them. And I also love the way that the river rock looks when we have the fireplace going. It just is so cozy in here for us. Let me give you a little peek around the corner. I also use a lot of real and faux elements in our house when I'm decorating. So this is faux yellow eucalyptus up in another vase, and also a faux wreath, and keeping it just pretty much in those neutral tones. And over here we have our dining room. So in our dining room, you can see we have a large table, another vintage chandelier, and what I like to do in here is, at times do a tablescape and keeping it, again, very neutral, adding a lot of rusty maybe pieces and some candles, real and faux, along with pumpkins, wood elements, a lot of texture. I love having a lot of texture. I think that really makes the home really cozy. And up on the top of the cabinet, I have demi-john bottles. And there's a pumpkin or two up on our cabinet in the back. Over here, again, I love decorating with cloches, and I love just the amber bottles, the knobby pumpkins, the wood risers. Again, keeping it just very neutral for us. Over here in this corner, we have a peg rail, and what I like to do is keep, again, cozy throws on there, so we can just pull them off the hook and watch TV. A nice chippy lamp, my husband made that, and just a simple bottle basket and some faux leaves inside. And then over here for our kitchen, also keeping it as neutral as well. And here we have a neutral corn husk pumpkin. Farmhouse sink, and all these items we use on a daily basis, especially on the lower shelves. And there's another basket with a plant, and then I like to incorporate maybe just a wispy piece of garland, keeping it neutral. Lots of copper. In the back is a vintage bird cage. And then above the cabinet, we've incorporated some vintage apple basket tops and ironstone filled with cotton And that is a tour of our farmhouse. As you can see, I love incorporating vintage windows. And there's another vintage window above. And that's a tour of our 1912 farmhouse. Thank you so much for taking a peek of our farmhouse. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed having you watch just a little peek into our farmhouse. Thank you so much, Ollie.
I hope you all loved today's home tour by Cottage on Main Street. Make sure you guys give her a follow in the description box below. And let me know also your favorite part of today's home tour. I will see you guys in another video, and thanks for being here.